How many of you remember the trade from yesterday? Sell 103 put, buy the 100 put on Nvidia. Today's up, that spread is probably worth about zero or worthless. I mean, there's so many options in the Market Chameleon. Let's find some as well as check this quick disclaimer. So feel free to read all about this. Not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. My name is Ib, also known as Finance After 40. Let's get started with Market Chameleon. The market really changed today from down in the beginning. This morning it was down 1.7% red. Now the Nasdaq is up 0.6%, and of course all the usual suspects are up because you can't go down forever and you can also go up forever, and you just try to make money from that. Okay, so Nvidia at 115, let's see what we got. Yesterday we had a crazy 96%, I think 96% bull put spread to sell the 103 to buy the 100 put with a before August 16. It's still in play, but probably the premium is a little less. I did not take this trade this morning, was doing coffee and other stuff. I should have. I really should have, but there's millions of options out there. So let's see what we got. When you sign up, if you haven't already, 7 days link in the description. You can pick any and see all the trade ideas that we got on Nvidia. I personally like to do either spreads or condors. Let's see, this is an interesting one. Let's see for tomorrow. Okay, interesting. I might look at this in a second, but before we do, you either look at the any, or if you want to make your life simple, you pick between those two free by edge, which means that Market Chameleon finds you trades that are basically more, you get more premium, you sell more premium, you collect more money up front based on what you should have collected in history. Or if you buy call or put options, Market Chameleon finds you cheap options. This is where they shine. Okay, they don't tell you, hey, the stock will go up or down. No one knows. But if you do want to trade, they will find you trades with an edge. So let's see the top 3 by edge for Nvidia stock for this example. Remember, price today around 116 right now. Okay, and this is for a month from now. This is for a month from now. This is for a month from now. Interesting. But we got the 116 call. Okay, is that debit? I want to see some credit. Okay, here we go. For example, okay, yesterday we had the 103. If you didn't take advantage of the put credit spread 103 100, today you're getting another trade which is a lot higher than yesterday, but it is what it is. And if you're bullish Nvidia, if you saw the Excel from yesterday that we found the fair value of Nvidia stock and you're bullish, you can take this trade. I mean, the earning is for August 28, so this one is a month from now. You can enjoy the theta decay until then and still avoid earnings. You can sell the 115 put, you can buy the 111 put, and as long as Nvidia stays above 115, you are collecting $160 income. Compare, this is where Market Chameleon shine, as I said, compared to $100 only. So not only that you're collecting more income, you're also bullish, and basically that's $60 more. So if you do, I don't know, 10 contracts, that's 1,600 income, and your max risk is this minus this, which is $400 per contract. So you're risking 400 minus 160, you risk 240. You risk 240 to collect 160, and as long as Nvidia, if everything stays the same, they keep going up, stay sideways, and close above 115 a month from now, this will be worth zero. But in reality, you should just collected $100 instead of 160. Let's click here and see what we got. 63.3% potential yield. That's pretty insane. And right here, if Nvidia stays the same or go up, your income is about 155, 160. And your break even is 2.5% to the downside. I mean, you are basically betting that Nvidia will stay sideways or go up. Plain and simple. If you think that everyone will keep buying Nvidia stock, then this could be a trade idea for you. Let's keep going. Top 3 by win rate. Okay, so you change between top 3 by edge and top 3 by win rate, and you go and pick Nvidia, Zoom, AMD. And next week we're gonna go over tons of other stuff. We're gonna do actual Market Chameleon tutorial. I want to show you straddles. I want to show you condors and options and earnings and dividend and what this platform has to offer, because they have a lot to offer. So let's see here, top 3 by winner. This is the second option that you can do. And you got yourself same thing, okay? The 105 put, and you sell the 105 put, you buy the 100 put, you collect $100 instead of $50. 89% win rate, same expiration as before. Okay, so this is if you're a little less risk averse. You collect 100 and you risk 500 minus 100. You basically risk 400 to collect 100. That's actually a great trade. Not gonna lie, that's a great trade. 89% win rate. It could go to 0. Don't get me wrong, not a financial advice, but collect 100 compared to 50. That just means that the implied volatility is insane. It's not really insane. It's only 67%. But people are just buying and buying options, and yeah, that makes the price expensive. So this is even above 105, not above 115. This one is above 105, and all you do is risk 400 compared to 250 on the other one. If you click report, yeah, your yield is less, but you still collect $100 or $92 in here. Look at this beauty. You collect $92. Your max loss is 400, but that 400 is under basically $100, and your break even is 104.08, which is negative 10.6% from her. So if you think Nvidia will go down another 10% without earnings, without anything in a month, I mean, yeah, you could lose 400, but if it doesn't happen, you collect $100 for one contract. 10 contracts is $1,000 as long as Nvidia above 105. That's interesting. Let's see what this one, same thing, but just a little less. 104.99, okay, for $88 compared to 98. Same thing, and double the income that you should have collected based on history. Should have collected basically $47 in here, 52 in here. Yeah, those are the trade ideas, and I just want to check real quick because I like the condors as long as it makes sense. So let's see, as long as it makes sense, credit eye on Condor, because here in the Condor you get paid on both sides of the equation, on the sell credit spread, on the put side and on call side. So this one says sell the 114 put and buy the 109 put. Look at this for tomorrow. Okay, I might put it in right now. I just want to see the details. This is interesting. Sell the 114, buy the 109. So your max risk is 500 minus your income. In a second we'll get to this. And on the other side, you sell the 119 and you buy the 124 as also for tomorrow. And as long as Nvidia stays between 114 and 119, which is exactly in the middle right now, you collect the entire premium, 142 compared to 110. And basically your max loss is 500 minus this, let's say 150 limit. So you're risking 350 to make 150 in 24 hours, as long as Nvidia just cool off and doesn't go anywhere in the next 24 hours. Basically, I hope it. I probably will take this trade in like 10 minutes. Okay. If you click here, 140 credit, and you risk 360. Let's see, Nvidia between a move up to 1 day is 2.6% or negative 2.6% on average based on the last 6 years of historical data. Here we are in the diagram. Okay, this is where we are. Collect 140, risk 360, and it tells you that Nvidia has negative 3% or positive 3.7% just to break even. This is interesting. Your max loss is basically under 109 or above 124. This is where your max loss. You can still lose anything in between, but if it stays the same and just chill for like 24 hours, that's $140 income. Compare to $100 is what you should have collected in the past. This is pretty interesting. Not gonna lie, pretty interesting. Theoretical value 71% historical win rate. Then you got a 10% edge, which is the difference between this and this. So you collect extra $40. That's not bad. Takeaway, okay, we got all this. There's a okay 71%. I'm gonna take this trade right now. Not a financial advice, and I assume that Nvidia will stay chill. That's all it is. Pretty simple. Okay, I'm gonna post this video in like 30 minutes or something like that, and once it's live, feel free to just look. No, I don't mean for you to take the trade, but this is what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I like those trades that, as I said, two spreads is better than one, at least for me, because I'm going for the income, and the income is better than what it should be. Okay, and we are going after two crazy volatile days, yesterday and today. Nvidia is now at 144, 114. So yeah, this might be an updated. So this could be like 112 and 121. We'll see. We'll see. You can also refresh the Market Chameleon every 15 minutes or so, so you know the price is exactly what to do. With that being said, I hope this was valuable. Market Chameleon, all those trade ideas, link in the description, 7 days trial. I'll see you next time.